In this video I'm going to replace the lamp in this electric oven. Somewhere near the oven there will be an isolator switch. I'm going to switch that to the off position. To make this easier to film, I have removed the oven door, but in most cases you can do this with the door attached. I'm now removing the two shelves. On the side of the oven is a shelf support. This is fixed by a chrome round nut. That simply unscrews in an anti-clockwise direction. We now have access to the light. We can now get a blunt knife and prise off the glass cover. You will notice that this has a cutout so that it fits over the lamp and will only go back the same way. We can now unscrew the lamp. You then need to get a replacement lamp. I got this one from Darwin Domestics, which is where I go if I can't fix an appliance. I'll put a link to the Facebook page in the description. This lamp is a E14 SES lamp. You will notice that I'm wearing gloves. This is important as the grease from your fingers can cause lamps to burn out prematurely. The lamp just needs screwing into position until it is relatively tight. You don't need to go mad. Take the glass cover with the cutout and push that back into position. We can then take the shelf support and push that back into position, then replace the nut. Some modern ovens simply have a glass cover that can be unscrewed in an anti-clockwise direction. Unscrew the cover to expose the lamp. Again, I'm wearing gloves. This type of lamp simply pulls out of the lamp holder and there's a G9 lamp. Never try to use an energy saving lamp in an oven. It must always be a like for like replacement. Simply push the new lamp into the holder. Then replace the cover by screwing it in a clockwise direction until it is relatively tight. Again, do not go mad. You can now turn the oven isolator switch back on. Before you can use the oven, you will need to set the time. This can fix a lot of problems, as it is common for ovens to stop working after a power cut because the time needs setting first. I'll now just switch the oven on and you can see that the light is working.